Welcome to today's quick guide on JavaScript local storage versus cookies. Let's dive in. Cookies and local storage are both ways to store data in the browser, but they have some key differences. Cookies are small pieces of data sent from a website and stored on a user's computer by the user's web browser while the user is browsing. On the other hand, local storage is part of the Web Storage API, providing a way to store key-value pairs in a web browser. Now, let's compare them. Cookies have advantages like being supported across all browsers, and they can store more data compared to local storage. However, cookies have limitations in terms of storage size and security concerns due to being sent with every HTTP request. Local storage, on the other hand, can store larger amounts of data, and it's not sent with every HTTP request, making it faster. But local storage is limited to string data only, and it's not supported in older browsers. In conclusion, both cookies and local storage are useful for storing data in the browser, but understanding the differences will help you choose the right tool for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.